So this is question number 8 on our list of questions we are solving under math 201. So this question resembles the limit of f of x over g of x all raised to the power of h of x as x approaches a. And anytime you have limit like this, the indeterminate form for this is 1 to the power of infinity, and this entire thing is equal to e raised to the power of the limit of h of x multiplied by f of x minus g of x all divided by g of x. This is what that entire expression equals to. So that's what we're going to use. In this case, our f of x is 2x, our g of x is x plus 2, and then h of x is 1 over x minus 2. So let's quickly move on to evaluate that. So this will be e raised to the power the limit h of x, that's 1 over x minus 2. Now x is approaching 2, multiplied by f of x minus g of x all divided by g of x. G of x is the denominator, x plus 2. And then if we simplify this, we'll have e raised to the power of the limit as x approaches 2 of 1 over x minus 2 onto, so this x is going to fit everything in there, so I'm going to have 2x minus x minus 2 all divided by x plus 2. And if x approaches infinity, if I simplify here, 2x minus x, that's x. So I'm going to rewrite 1 over x minus 2 first, and then in here I'm going to have 2x minus s, that's x minus 2 all divided by x plus 2. So what am I going to have here? E raised to the power of the limit. I can multiply this times this, that's x minus 2 in the numerator there, all divided by this times this, that's x minus 2, x plus 2. X is approaching 2. Now you finish it. X is approaching 2. Oh, now once I do that, I'll realize this will go out, so I'll have e raised to the power of the limit of 1 over x plus 2 as x approaches 2. I can now do direct substitution, so I'll have e raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 2, that's e raised to the power of 1 over 4, and that is the 4th root of e. The 4th root of e. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video. Let's quickly solve question number 12. We have to evaluate the limit of e raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 all divided by x as x approaches 0. Oh, to do this, we have to distribute. So I'm going to have e to the x plus 2 to the x, and then this negative 2, I'm going to write it as minus 1 all divided by x as x approaches 0. So this negative 1, I'm going to send it to e to the x, and 2 to the x minus 1 all divided by x as x approaches 0. Now note something right here. And then you have the limit of a to the power x minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0. This will be the ln of a. ln of a. Anytime you have that, a to the x minus 1 all divided by x as x approaches 0 is the ln of a. So here I'll have the limit of e to the x minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0 plus the limit of 2 raised to the power x minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0. So because of that rule, this one is the ln of e plus this one is the ln of 2. Great. But we know that we are adding 2 natural log, we multiply. So this will be the ln of 2e. You can write inside the ln of 2e, or if you want to simplify, if you want to leave it inside like this, you can leave it like this. So you have the ln of e plus the ln of 2. But the ln of e is 1. So 1 plus ln of 2. Either one of them will be correct. So the answer will either be ln of 2e or the ln of, or 1 plus ln of 2. Out of these. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.